Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video, I am doing a tag video, which I was tagged a very long time ago by Lvcoffeelover and by Sakis, and the tag is a bag for every season. And this was really hard to choose. So you just choose one bag for each season, and I've really enjoyed watching everybody's videos on this. Finally getting around to doing mine. I will link their videos down below so you can check them out. And I want to tag anybody who hasn't already done this. And since I'm so late to the game, I'm just really not sure who has. Before we get into this, my name is Melinda. If you're new to my channel, if you're returning, welcome back. I do videos once a week on luxury, and if you like those kind of videos, I'd love it if you take just a moment and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get started, and I'm going to start with fall because we are still in the fall season. So for fall, the bag I chose is my Alma BB from Louis Vuitton in the Damier Ebene print. I absolutely love this bag. This is my favorite Louis Vuitton print. My first bag from Louis Vuitton was in the Damier Ebene. It's just a gorgeous bag. I love the two tones of brown. It's so neutral. It goes with everything. I wear this year-round. I bought it in the spring, and actually I got it for Mother's Day, and I've been wearing it all year. But I think in the fall, it's just such nice colors. I love the shades of brown. There's quite a bit of leather on this bag too, for it being still one of their more affordable pieces. The whole bottom is leather. It has feet, and most of the Almas are going to be made in France. Not quite sure. If I can't quite see that far, I don't have my glasses on. It comes with the cloche, it comes with a lock, it comes with a long, non-adjustable crossbody strap, and that's usually how I wear it. But what I like about this bag is you can go from day to evening. If you're on a vacation or if you're out and about all day and you don't want to transfer your things, you just take the strap off and you've got this little evening bag. Let me show you the inside. I love, love, love the bright cherry red. It's just so pretty. But this bag to me is just so classic, and it just screams fall. So let's move on to winter. So for winter, I chose my Chanel Jumbo Flap. I think that this bag is fabulous for winter. I have done a lot of reviews, and I did a really thorough video on this bag this year, and it is quite heavy. It's empty and it's quite heavy. It is one that I love in the winter. I will wear it all year long. Probably not my most used bag, but in the winter, usually you've got like a heavy coat or thicker sweaters or a sweatshirt, and this chain being so long is so nice to go over a thicker coat. And also when you're wearing a heavy coat, you don't feel it dig into your shoulder as much. So that I like too. I have it in just the black caviar with the silver hardware, so I think it makes it very casual. It has the smile pocket on the back. And another reason that I like this one for winter is how roomy it is inside. Look at that gorgeous burgundy interior. But it's so big, I don't carry as much. When I got this bag, I was using full-size wallets, just carrying a ton of stuff. I don't carry that much anymore. So what's great about this in the winter, if you have gloves or a scarf and you want to take them off and pop them in your bag, like you're out shopping, you know, it gets hot the second you get into a store or something like that. Very easy to do, and again, I love the strap. This is 3.5 years old, and it is just as squeaky as ever, and it looks absolutely brand new. I love Chanel's caviar leather. It's absolutely beautiful. So moving into spring, if you follow me, you know the majority of my bags are black. Almost all of them are black. By spring, I am just absolutely tired of seeing black. So my favorite for spring is my Montaigne BB in the Rose Poudre color. I just fell in love with this bag when I saw it a couple of years ago, and I just think it's so elegant and so classy. So it is in the monogram empreinte leather. See, it's all pretty. It's a very nice deep embossing, and it has the little studs that say Louis Vuitton on the front and the back. It has the cloche. It also has feet like the Alma, which I love. The inside is this beautiful striped lining, pinstripe with a gray, and this back portion or front portion, however you want to turn the bag around, has 2 slit compartments, and then this one here has a larger compartment on the other side. You can clip the bag together. There's a little clip on either side if you want to do that. I'll show you what that looks like. I have never ever carried the bag this way, but if you just want it to be extra secure, you can do that. I don't. What I like the most about this bag is that it's so easy to reach in and out of and to get your stuff, you know, having these 2 pieces open. And this center part zips open is great to put your wallet in or anything that you're really worried about that you want to keep extra secure. Comes with a long, again, a non-adjustable crossbody strap. I totally forget what this piece is called. Somebody told me in a video once, and because I asked, and I do not remember, but you can wrap this around the straps to keep them upright if it bothers you that they're falling down. And it does have quite a bit of leather in this bag. So here's the center compartment, and you see how it opens really big because the zipper goes down really far. But it also has, on both sides of the compartment, it is leather. It's just like a pebbled, it's not the emprunt. Really, really beautiful bag. Very elegant. I love that you can carry it 2 ways, like the Alma. Again, you can use this from day to evening, just, you know, not have the strap on it. And so, for summertime, I was going to bring out my Odeon PM new model. And I really have enjoyed that bag over the summer, but I think I have a better one for summer. Even though I haven't used it that much, I have finally used it, and that is my Evelyn PM in the gold. And the reason I chose this over the Odeon is because of the color. I think the color is so beautiful. This color is going to just pop against white jeans, and when you're wearing light tan shorts, summertime white t-shirts, it's just such a pretty color. And the Odeon has a black crossbody strap, which is not so summery, and I think that the gold one is just a little bit better. I finally have had a chance to use this bag, and it is so comfortable, so easy to use. I currently have my cray colored organizer inside of there from 7RP. I keep my phone in the back like I showed in the video, and I don't overstuff it, but it's so comfortable. Let me show it to you without the organizer. That's the one I'm using today. I just used this bag today. I had to take my stuff out of it, but there's the inside of it. It's just the raw suede lining. This compartment here is absolutely huge. So this is all the pebbled leather, and then the raw suede on this side. And this is in Clemence leather. It's soft, it's buttery, it's so beautiful, and it goes with so many things. So I wore it with this shirt today, and it matches everything. I didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe, any kind of color like this. It's just a fabulous neutral that will go with all sorts of stuff. And I also chose it because in the summertime, most years, we are doing a lot of traveling. This strap is very comfortable. From the few times I've used it, which not that much, but it's very comfortable, and I like to do a lot of touristy things and walk all over the place. So I'm really looking forward to using this one, hopefully a ton next summer. I do love the Odeon, and I will be doing a comparison at some point once I've had a chance to use this one as much as I've had a chance to use that one, and share that with you. But those are my 4 for every season, and let me know down below. Tell me what are the 4 bags that you would choose if you could only have 1 bag per season. I hope you have an amazing day today. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.